Hello everybody, how are you? How are you all doing? Another vlog today to answer one of your questions about the hair system. So today's question is, should I grow my hair out? Yes, you should. Well, I remember when I first ordered my hair system, Phil came and said to me, do not touch your hair before fitting, do not cut it, don't do anything with it. I was like, no, I need to cut my hair system. I was walking in the street, my hair was really long from the sides and pulled from the front and all of that. I looked horrific, but he said to me, do not touch it. And the only reason is, the longer it is, the easier to blend, the better results you get. And actually, this is what I got. Look how nicely it blends. Look at this. So yes, you need to make a little bit longer before the fitting. Listen to Hair For All advice. They would advise you how long they wanted it to be, how much period they needed it to be. So they would tell you everything. So yeah, you need to leave it a little bit longer before the fitting so they can blend it nicely like this. Look at this hair system, guys. This is today's question. If you need any more information about the hair system and how to turn from this guy who look like 50 to this guy who look like 24, visit hairforall.com and have a good day, guys. See you soon.